Excellency, my dear brother, Deputy Governor, representing the other brother of mine, Your Royal Majesty, I know I have met and greeted you, but again I pay my respects and loyalty to you and all the leadership and the people of Ibi. I pay my respects. I'm here for a visit of sympathy and appreciation with what is happening and what happened to the people. I'm here also, the reason why I decided I have to come personally is I've been doing a tour of various states. I told the Deputy Governor, I'm going to only see one side. As part of advocacy to call on the federal government of Nigeria to declare a state of emergency on all the affected areas and be able to intervene, because this is what the state cannot cope with. That's what the federal government does, the federating unit. I'm also calling on them to say the high manpower team to go around and evaluate themselves. It should not be left for local government and the state government. And I know what you'll be going through, Your Royal Highness. Because when they say people are accommodated in their various homes, Your Royal Highness, I know you're accommodating more. Because they will be looking at you. When I was coming, I was saying to the Deputy Governor, I said, when I said where is the handicap, he told me this story. I said, then I can assure you, Your Royal Highness is carrying on the weight. Because he might be looking at his children go hungry. But people around him go hungry. So I thank you for what you do. And I assure you that is why we're here to evaluate and go on well-meaningful, well-to-do citizens of Nigeria, as well as all donor agencies, to please come and support the various areas that are affected. Thank you for what you're doing. Our commitment is to have a better Nigeria. Taraba State is one of the states I've always said that we must turn around. It's a 54,000 fertile land. And I believe Taraba State is one of those states we need to celebrate. Taraba State is bigger than Israel and Belgium put together. Belgium is 31,000 square kilometers and Israel is 22. They are 53. Taraba is 54. It's one of those states that I believe that we will use to showcase that the oil that is in Nigeria is all cultivated land in the north. And we will prove it. It's very easy. It's doable. We want to cultivate it because we want to pull all the young men and women out of poverty and reduce criminality and banditry by ensuring that they have a means of livelihood. And that's what we're doing. That's what we intend to do. So we thank you for the opportunity and of coming here, thank the state government for what you're doing. For you coming all the way to receive me now, I thank you. I apologize that I've been hurrying because I have 3 more steps to go. And thank you. I thank you. I thank all the people for this. Just know that I'm with you. You will not be alone. I'll be doing my own support to make sure that we ameliorate the suffering. Thank you and God bless you.